Picture yourself in the 2022 Chrysler Pacifica. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Pacifica delivers the ultimate in family-focused transportation. Its excellent ergonomics, amenities, and safety features inspire confidence and assure comfort for everyone. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, touchscreen infotainment system, keyless entry, power liftgate, heated mirrors, satellite radio, fog lamps, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls. It's so enjoyable to drive, you might forget it's a minivan. Take the Pacifica out for a drive and see for yourself.